Hey fellow DIers, it's Liam, and today we're diving into some genius space-saving solutions with smart folding stairs and more. So the first step, pun intended, is to grab some wooden planks and start making some straight cuts. Now, it's time to bring out the saw and get a little artsy with some triangular and zigzag cuts. Who knew cutting wood could be so therapeutic? It's like we're creating a masterpiece, one cut at a time. Fast forward to the wall, where we're strategically placing these planks and drilling holes. It's like a DIY game of connect the dots, but with screws. And speaking of screws, we're hammering those bad boys into place and using a trusty tool to make sure they're snug as a bug. But wait, plot twist. We're unscrewing them all. It's like a dramatic twist in a DIY movie, suspenseful, yet oddly satisfying. Now, back to the wooden planks because we're fixing them on the wall using screws. It's like a DIY puzzle, and we're the masters at putting the pieces together. Let's get our hands dirty. It's like a woodworking warm-up, just to get those DIY muscles flexing. Moving on to the folding stairs, because who doesn't want stairs that fold? We're cutting, hinging, and screwing our way to staircase success. Who says you can't have both style and practicality in your home, right? But before we unfold the magic, literally, be sure to stick around until the end for some nifty folded furniture ideas that'll not only save you space, but might just save you a few bucks too. Climbing these stairs is like taking a step into the future of home design. Hey, awesome people! Liam here, and today we're delving into the fascinating world of concrete. I'm telling you, concrete is like the superhero of building materials. So, buckle up as we embark on the journey of casting our very own cement stove. Yeah, you heard it right! First things first, we kick off with some empty plastic pots. Gotta make sure they're the right size and have a cool design. The mix ratio and materials we use? Oh, they're like the secret sauce that determines how our creation will look, how strong it'll be, and how it'll perform. Precision is key when it comes to molding and casting, so pay attention, my fellow DIY enthusiasts. Now, let's talk about the mold. It's gotta handle that concrete pressure like a champ. After that, we play the waiting game. Let it chill for a good 24 hours. And voila! We work some hot water magic to release our masterpiece. A sturdy base is like the superhero cape, adding durability and making it portable. Glass tube or PVC pipe, the escape artists of the concrete world. Switching gears to the artistic side of things, designing. This is where your inner artist shines. A neat and clean finish is the secret sauce for that extra wow factor. Get rid of the fillings, clean those empty spaces. We want perfection, right? and pouring more water? It's like giving our creation a little spa treatment. Now let's talk steel fabrication. Cutting, bending, welding. It's like the Avengers of construction. A strong pan support is our sidekick for a sturdier and more durable stove. Don't forget to clean and color before plopping that pan support on. Choosing the right colors, it's like picking the perfect outfit for our creation. And there you have it, your very own concrete stove ready for action. Pop it wherever you want, light it up, throw a pan on the support, and bam, cooking time! But let's be real, the best part? Digging into that delicious meal. Enjoy, my DIY buddies!